I have been in the Indian judiciary for 25 years. As a judge who is deeply committed to the system, I mentored generations of judges across India. I was part of the collegium, which was part of the decision-making process in which Justice Yashwant Varma was transferred to the Delhi High Court. I happened to be the Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court, a court where he was himself serving. But so also a large number of other judges. Justice Vikram Nath, who is one of the senior-most judges here, was my colleague in the Allahabad High Court. Justice Manoj Mishra, who has come now to the Supreme Court, was my colleague. Justice Pankaj Mittal, who is a judge of the Supreme Court today, was my colleague. So what is the innuendo about, somebody being close to someone? That's the first point. Second, which is the more fundamental point which you have raised, on which there's a grain of truth and substance in what you are saying. Once a motion of impeachment is placed before the Speaker by the requisite number of members of Parliament, then to my mind, whether the motion of impeachment deals with Judge A or Judge B or Judge C, you must apply even-handed yardsticks. And that is my firm opinion. In other words, you cannot make a distinction between motions of impeachment by applying varying standards. Because ultimately we are dealing with the institution of the judiciary, its credibility, its legitimacy. And I think it's important, therefore, that any process for bringing accountability to the Indian judiciary must be even-handed in the standards which we apply across the board.